If you're facing an issue where your saved posts on Reddit are not appearing, here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix it. First, try logging out of your Reddit account. After you have successfully logged out, log back into your account and check if your saved posts have reappeared. If the posts are still missing, the next thing you should do is clear your local history. To do this, go to your settings, tap on Clear Local History, and confirm the action by clicking OK. This can help remove any cached data that might be causing the issue. Once you've cleared the local history, open your App Store for iOS or Play Store for Android and check whether your Reddit app is updated to the latest version. If it's not, make sure to update it. Running an outdated version of the app can often cause glitches like this, and updating to the latest version usually fixes the problem. After following all these steps, your saved posts should start appearing again. If the problem still persists, you might also consider reinstalling the app as a final step.